I know a lady that was downsized, but she knows she was fired. I mean, she feels it that way. Is there a difference between downsizing and firing?
Downsizing
legally?
is a euphemism that's often used at the expense of older people, sadly. And we would want to evaluate the situation and see if there's really strong evidence that downsizing is favoring younger workers at the expense of older workers. And oftentimes a claim like that is not just one person's claim, but it's really a group, a collective, or a class action. It could be
Against
pursued
one
in either way.
company.
That's right.
Is that what class action means?
Class action is for a group of individuals against a single defendant, right?
Okay. Is there a specialty that is worse for us? I mean, when we're working, like some of us have been marketing, some of us have been accountants, some of us has been, assistant to CEOs. Is there a relationship that broken? Is that why they ask the older people to leave? I don't know. I'm trying to understand.
It's a combination.
What causes that.
It's a combination of simple bias and financial interests. We've got a situation where a person has been with the company for 30 years, and their salary is way up here, and the people that are starting are way down here.
Out of college.
This person is going to have much more skills, but the company may determine that they'd be better off financially hiring someone with less skills but at a much lower pay.
Now, when they say that they're downsizing and let you go, and next week there's somebody at your position, does that show
that's very
good case?
Very strong evidence when a company replaces an older worker with a younger worker with less experience under the guise of downsizing, that company has opened itself up to a lawsuit. Absolutely.
Well, I think, does that come from the president or HR, or who makes those decisions? The board? Who makes the decisions about
It depends a lot on the size of the company. Oftentimes, bad employment decisions are made at a fairly low level by supervisors where the upper management doesn't really even know what they're doing. On the other hand, a kind of a global downsizing might well be a policy decision that's made at a very high level.
top.
Just depends.
Yeah, sometimes the budget hasn't been that good that year. The best thing is to get rid of some of the employees, and then when we balance the budget.
And the low-hanging fruit is the higher paid employees, unfortunately.
Yeah.